iya nuko tugatangiye bimeze bite rero narakubwiye ngo filime yahuye na Rocky agaho kaba kahuye n'umunyutsi bimeze bite rero nuko tugatangiye ndetse ngo muri filime ni ikibuga ngeramo nkiciramo n'amagini icyamamare nkimanukira kandi sinajya kuza imbere y'abantu banje icyamamare ntateguye ngo ntwike filime irangira nimanukira ariko manuka icyababwira iyo ndambitse mikoro hasi ndamanuka koko manukana amafiyeri narababwiye ngo ningera utwitsi mukuru mu Rwanda ndatwika abandi bose uzabona batwika ni abanyigana bimeze bite rero nuko dutangiye filime yacu bakazanye ni bandi ni United bikazanye ngo DJ kabagira mu gacuruze fresh ku gihe ifatanije na Rock Entertainment na True Art Entertainment ndetse muri hangano minsi mikishize ari gihe mwabuze filime ho gato cyamamare rega ntaga se ninjye utarwara ibaze ko nari ndwaye tuntu tw'uducurane tworoheje shawo ako nyine abaganga banjye bakambwira ati ruki ntiwemerewe nyine akarwara gato koroheje icyamamare ikipe ishinzwe kumvura ntabwo cyatuma mfata mikoro bimeze bite ariko mugiye kujya mubona filime ku bwinshi ndetse nabazaniye Savimbizo na Zozo kuri filime nyinshi cyane zivuye muri Rock Entertainment ndaje no twica amagini na United filime zibagereraho igihe kandi ku bwinshi sibyo ngo namwe umusanzu wanyu mutanga fresh nk'ibisanzwe twikorera akazi wana tuve mu bintu byindi by'amatiko hey abantu bica filime rero bagashinyagurira imirambo y'izo filime nabyo ibi bintu byabo ngiye kubisubiramo bimeze bite rero nari narababwiye ngo nyuma ya corona nibwo nzatangira gusobanura filime reka nonze mbibakorere Compound B presents na Rock Entertainment na United na True Art Entertainment umwe ku mubumbe nimanukiye bimeze bite rero aka gafilime karimo ibyamamare Scott Adkins Mutebu aratwika Louis Mandailor uyu we ni icyamamare kuva na kera muramuzi ukiniye Saints and Sinners Debt Collectors n'abishyuzi Vladimir Kulich muramuzi ndaza kumube uyu mugabo aratwika hano wari udutangiranye ku gashati kuri tatuwaje ku kirombe mu ntoki dore uburyo atamburamo dore agakweto dore ubwibone dodododo bafite uburyo agendamo abakobwa bagahindukira mbega imboga hari wagira ngo ni Rocky duhuye kuri iyi ninjiyemuye nazo ziba zireba dore agakweto n'afite amafiyeri do hewana njyewe ariko nta uramubona ariko uramubona kandagira ubutaka butoneka ni nane tutangiranye nawe Marina Sirtis nawe karimo afite buryo kigenda mu nyine afite agashati ku buryo agashati kakagurishije yagura ikibanza i Nyarutarama hey urumva urwego ibintu bye bimaze kugeraho umugabo uri hano dore ikirombe ku kaboko arabanza reba ku gapapuro uyu mugabo ninde nuko tugatangiye wumva ndacara umwe ku mubumbe filime huye nanjye agaho kahuye n'umunyutsi akunini dutangiriye mu kabari hari abantu ku manywa baranywa wamenyemo amafaranga ni Scott Adkins uze ngo iyi filime niye ntago ari bya bindi bamukoresheje yamenyemo umufungo urumva inyungu nayo ni nyinshi Louis Mandailor nakubwiraga mubona ariko yinjiye hano mugabo yinjiye hano katorore ari na Rikiros umupampe nzanira ko kunywa iyi filime yazanywe n'umupampe bita nde DJ Bullet Mambo VIP nawe ndagusuje n'abakiriya bawe kuri 40 DJ Bullet ni icyamamare mugabo yicara hano mu kabari kunywa rega ntago bigira amasaha ni mu kabari abantu baranywa byeri ziranywebwa hano hari uri kurira muki muri hangana sibyo muri hangana
You know, one make it a dime.
Yeah, I gotta check if we have that.
Okay, you do that.
Beer.
Mbese biti hano harabari guserera hari uwo bagwiriye Scott Adkins baramugwiriye icyamamare ntacyo nubikoreho
Right, get up.
we
Get up.
ureke kurwana
Outside. Get outside.
sore hanze
Harry Styles. This don't concern you.
ntabwo bikureba
He kicked 7 shades of shine out of each other for.
umva nimba mushaka kurwana mujye kurwanira hanze ntabwo mbyitayeho cyangwa se mutume nanjye mbijyamo
You think you are?
uciye kuri igiki
Don't do it.
ntubikore
Now listen, mate.
nyumva
Calm down. Okay? You see him?
uramubona uriya
Guy. His name's Irv, and that's
bamwita Harvey ni bosi wanjye
strict instructions. I've got to take
ejo bundi yambaye amabwiriza
outside the premises, okay?
ko urugomo rwose no kurwana bijye bibera hanze uyu ni bounce w'aka kabari
Cause a bit of damage and.
ubushize nakubise abantu ibintu birangirika
Okay, so please.
mubwira ko nzahinduka rero musohoke nanjye ndagize utwo kurya twa mu gitondo baramuseka
Hey, lads.
ni abasinzi
March is faggy.
mugingo uburyo avugamo icyongereza wagira ngo
We did 100.
ni umwongereza tangira kumutuka
250 years.
uzi ibyo twabakora imyaka ijana ishize
Isn't it?
ni imyaka 250 ahubwo
Exactly a fair fight back then, was it? It was us,
abongereza n'abanyamerika
and we kicked
twebwe abanyamerika twari duhanganye namwe abongereza
all the way back.
twarabakubise tubambutse inyanja ya atlantike
I'm crying.
mwagiye murira musubira ku mwamikazi wanyu w'ibici
Well, it wasn't a queen.
ntabwo umwamikazi rero uyoboye ubwongereza icyo gihe yari umwami
King George III's a big precedent.
king george wa gatatu
I expect you lot to know that.
ese ubundi abantu nk'amwe
In your life, have you?
ntabwo menye murasoma igitabo na kimwe mu buzima
Treat yank fucks. So you had help from the Spanish, the French, oh, and the Dutch.
ati njye nshobora kuba ndi umufaransa ndi umwesipanyoro namwe ntabwo muzi wo muri nyine abanyamerika usanga igihugu ari cyarahuwemo n'abantu benshi
I fucking like these odds. Because like good old King George always used to say,
umwami george yajya avuga ngo ngwino noneho duhangane nimba mubishaka hano baracuranga Hey! nambara yarareba Hey! uyarareba sore mfite buryo cyabangutse mano katurare Hey! kick tera punch punch Hey! mutebutsi namuzanye Hey! basinzi baje kunywera mu gakungu bounce wakabara ryarakubita sore double kick mbese biti yeah abacuranga baracuranga nicyo bahemberwa punch hey pok 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 hey mugwe hirya mugwe hirya nyuma yawe Frenchy nyuma ye geti hey katurare kibando cya biyari
cheers, mate. I gotta tell you something.
cheers mwana urarenze pe uracyatwika baraziranye kuva mu gice cya mbere punch punch ntebe hey sore kura menyo poko punch yeah
I thought you were dead.
natekereje ko wapfuye
Don't you believe me? A story for another.
nanjye naketse ko wapfuye mwana kigoryiwe
Outside, French.
sohoka mu French we sohoka mwita French
I love this fucking place.
hano hantu hakunze cyane
Don't do this, okay? I need this.
mwana bino wibikora boss yaje kumutonganya nyirakabari ni bounce yakubise abana mene ibintu
That doesn't have to be renovated.
umva nyine club buri cyumweru batazajya baza gukuvugurura bongera bagura ibintu mwabyangije
Sure. And your unpaid bar tab.
uyemo ibintu wangije by'intebe ndakwishyura 80 utahe ndakwirukanye umusore baramwirukanye
Find someone else to scrape up.
bana handi muntu wabona ukora akazi neza nkanjye
Mate.
nkanyumva mwana nuko bose baba bavuga vayo
It's nice to see that things working out for you, pal. I'm very happy about
byiza kubona ibintu bimeze neza hano mwana
it. Hey, you know what it's worth if you want to finish
barabagenga kubise byari bikwiye
the place next door, maybe.
nimba tuko kurya twe twa mu gitondo utatumaze tugende ngugurire
Since you got no job no more.
ubwo nta kazi ugifite wakwirukanye ndakugurira baraziranye
Come on, French.
tugende ngukarage French ujye kumukaraga utwo kurya twa mu gitondo
Just French, by the way.
mani ibyo kurya ugiye kungura biraba ari iby'abafaransa ariko baje kurya to sorry ifite ukuntu ry'ibintu kamenamo ibintu ukabona biteye isesemi uyu biramubangamira iki kigoryi
I can't believe it.
ntabwo nabyizera
Well, it sat right here in front of me.
ntabwo nakwisera kunyicaye imbere
Oh, they Hugo Gunner.
naketse ko wapfuye mwana
Believe me, I was
nyizera mani
like 2 times on that slab. Yeah?
bandashe inshuro zigera muri 3 n'ubundi nari meze nkaho napfuye
I may probably wouldn't be here right now.
iyo bitaba Tommy ntabwo nari kuba nkiriho
Yeah. Got shot up pretty bad, Frenchie. Stomach. Vertebrae.
bandashe mu nda mu rubavu
Can you imagine?
no hasi y'ibihaha
Actually,
Got to leave one in near my spine.
mani byansizemo n'imvune ikomeye cyane.
Well, kudos to you, mate, because, you know what?
Urabizi?
As zombies go, you're looking alright.
Genda ubona usa neza ariko.
So where's my coupe?
Imodoka yanjye iri he?
Oh, I'm fine, see. Don't worry.
Meze neza su.
Took. Yeah, thanks for asking.
Nanjye narakomeretse ariko meze neza. Ntabwo ari ibyo nkubaza.
Oh, come on, Frenchie.
Frenchie.
How you doing, really? I'm sorry, just... How you doing?
Babare ariko umeze uti?
I'm pretty good.
Meze neza.
Took two in the chest. One here.
Banda shano nanjye irindi hano.
I don't know how, but somehow I managed to crawl back to the car, right, and drive the...
Ndagenda nkambakamba ninjira modoka nijyana kwa muganga.
Right. I mean, I've seen a soldier shoot himself in the foot, and he...
Nibonye umusirikare wirashe mu kaguru arapfa, ariko ibaze ko njye bandashe kabiri mu gatuza simfi.
It's a fucked up thing.
Imana urumva ukuntu ibintu byikora.
I had to blag the police at the hospital, though. Told them my gun went off whilst I was cleaning it.
Nabwiye abapolisi kwa muganga ati narindi guhanagura imbunda ndirasa. Urabizi ugiye kwa muganga nyine warashwe bagomba kumenya warasiwe he.
So where's my coupe?
Imodoka yanjye ariko iriya yakomeje kuba imoso yakabisimbuka.
Shoot out that loving bedside manner of yours, did they?
Yarongera asimbuka ikibazo. Umva turavuga ku modoka yanjye iri hehe.
Consoled that, can't they?
Imodoka yo narayigurishije. Wakoze ibiki?
With what?
Wegurishije nande kubera iki he?
With Chop Shop, didn't they?
Imodoka yo narayigurishije hahandi bagura ama PS bayiguze bu PS bayicagaguyemo.
Listen, that was like a bullseye for every...
Man icyo gihe nzi ko wapfuye.
So I flogged that thing.
Muri East Los Angeles nagomba kuyigurisha none nagurishije.
Did you sell this
Wegurishije angahe?
vehicle for?
Iriya modoka yari henze.
That was about $6,000.
Ibihumbi 60. Ibihumbi 60 mwana.
Rims?
Iriya modoka yari yambaye cyane. Kungurishiriza imodoka ibihumbi 60. Arasara.
I am sorry.
Mutubabarire.
Control my pump.
Byose imizi sa mutubabarire bari basaze. Modoka barayiriye.
You're unbelievable.
Man ntabwo nabyizera pe.
Like this tone.
Ibyo bintu uri kuvugana n'ubwo ndi kubyumva.
I haven't got a fucking tone. What are
Oh,
you
you
talking about?
you do. I come as a friend. I catch the bus to come and see my friend. I come home.
Banajana nje kureba inshuti yanjye warangiza ukambwira bino bintu byose.
Mate, come and get your precious coupe.
Man wateze bisi uzi kuje gutwara imodoka ye ngo yaje ateze bisi nicyo cyamubaje yaje muri shira umuteto.
He's got a job for us. 2 days, 3 weeks. We're in, we're out. What do you say?
Hari akazi nanone nari nkuzaniye ko kujya kwishyuza abantu batatu bano bitwa ba debt collector. Ba debt collectors bo bajya kwishyuza.
Okay.
Wa muntu nyine wakwambuye urabatuma bakagenda bakamukubita bakabazanya amafaranga yawe. Bano bantu mushinga iyo koperative tubaha akazi. So abantu banyambuye.
Can't do it. Listen to you, right? Let me tell you something else.
Kamubwire.
Tommy, you owe him.
Tommy niwe wadutumye kuri abo kazi kandi umukesha ubuzima.
Okay, tell me one.
Kamubwire.
I'll do it for Tommy. You can do it for the money.
Nimba utabikora inshuti yacu Tommy bikorera amafaranga.
That's not true, right?
Urabizi urakennye.
Got to split 70K.
Turi kuganira ku bihumbi bigera muri 70 by'idolari hano.
How much?
Angahe?
Much?
Angahe mwana uvuze angahe?
70K.
Ibihumbi 70.
Can be gone forever. You can go home.
Akazi kamwe tukahita twimanukira ntuzagire ikindi kintu ongera kuko ibihumbi 70 byinshi.
Best Frenchie, you know I need.
Wanafunguramo Jim French.
Yeah?
I'm getting nowhere with the just call me French thing, am I?
It's a term of endearment.
Mani ku cyubundi munyita French niryo zina ry'akazi twamenyereye.
One last job.
Mani dukore kano kazi kanyuma.
3 last jobs.
Tugiye kwishyuza nakubwo n'utuzi dutatu bagiye kwishyuza abantu batatu babahembe ibihumbi 70 by'idolari. Amafaranga menshi cyane. Uyu arabanza kure amafaranga. Reka bari nje wishyura. Uyu bana mwirukanye n'amafaranga afite.
Leave another 20.
Reka musigire na ka tipu k'amadolari 20 kugira ngo uboneke ibintu biriho.
I'll see you at 7.
Tubonanire hanze. Muginga nyiyemeyeho. Umuntu ugiye kuguha akazi nyine azi ko ukeneye hari ukuntu akwereka ko amafaranga ariho. Atanze tipu y'amadolari 20.
You think it might be a nice idea to let me know
Bashano.
live?
Well, I did consider doing that, Frenchie, but Tommy told me to remain incognito, so that's what I did, yeah?
Mani byose turabikorera. Tommy yagiye mfasha cyane.
Out of this shit pit.
Nakora gari.
I get fired same day you tell.
Uburyo banyirukanye nkahita mura nawe njyana mu kandi kazi ni ibintu bitangaje.
Oh, wait a minute, what the fuck is that?
Uretse gato mwana icyo ni gicu giyemo.
It's called a car, mate.
Iba yita imodoka.
Wheelchair with
Iyi ni
It in my...
ati ni wheelchair nibega ni za ntebe z'ibicumba nuko ifite ikintu hejuru cyitwikiri. Iyi ntago ari imodoka mwana. Uyu we ni ibandi nyine ni G igendera mu tumodoka tw'amafiyeri.
All right. And look, if we're gonna take...
Mwana icyo kintu ntago nakinjiramo.
Oh, no, got no time.
Tujye mu rugo mpindura imyenda.
Hey, you look beautiful.
Ntagiye dufite urasa neza.
Where off to first then?
Las Vegas.
Tugiye Las Vegas ni wa mbere tugiye kwishyuza. Baro nabishyuzi. Ora batumatera umuntu ufite miliyoni bakagenda bakamukubita. Bamukubita yabishyura bakaryamo nk'ijana ryabo. Niko kazi bakora. Hey! wowe ukabona umuntu agenda mu muhanda buri gitondo kumbe niko kazi yikorera ariko washingaga koperative gakora ibyo bintu we tukitwa abishyuza bagiye Las Vegas kwishyuza bimeze bite bafashe inzira baturuka aho bari berekere Las Vegas Nevada none buriya bucemba mbuzi neza cyane kubera nyine
What music? Do you like?
kubayo
But we take it easy with the DJing, eh? What do you say?
shyiramo akazi kimana wishyiramo ibyo bintu by'imiziki uyo zamura arabizima si wumva
In Vegas then, mate. We're sticking with
batugiye muri Vegas
Oh, the old Vig, eh? So, we
reba tugiye kwishyuza rero
have a look, Frenchie. My specs must have.
kandebe aho tugiye kwishyuza nawe rebaho
Hang on a minute.
uretse gato
This is number 2 on this list.
uyu muntu tugiye kwishyuza Vegas ko muri kuri liste wa kabiri
Bird.
ngo yitwa Maliz
Cheap. Always stop furthest away from home and work your way back, yeah?
urabizi cyane nakoraga kure mu rugo nza kugaruka hano uyu muntu tugiye kwishyuza Maliz
Bonafide class act out of Louisiana,
ni
yeah?
umugore watari wo muri Louisiana
The kid Frenchie to work for the Ukrainian crime family.
mbere yakoreraga umuryango w'abanya-Ukraine n'abawubarizwamo abagizi ba nabi
Yeah.
yari azi ibintu byose
It was the mid-80s. I was
icyo gihe yari muri za 80 yari afite imyaka nka 20
an alias, yeah?
atangira gukorana n'umuryango we
She knew everything.
akazi kose yagakoraga neza
Was buried. After
azi amafaranga aho bayabika ibintu byose famiye ye
she became very rich, very powerful.
amaze kugira imbaraga no kubona udufaranga uwo mukobwa umunsi umwe yagize atya aravuga ati reka nice famiye yose amafaranga yabo ayasigarane famiye ye bari abagizi ba nabi bose arabica ni Maliz ahari muri 80 yishe famiye yasigarana amafaranga niyo bagiye kwishyuza uyu muntu wishe famiye ye yakwishyura ati
Know all this,
ibino bintu bisuta
failure family.
uwo muryango w'abanya-Ukraine wuzi uti
Had this on and off thing with her for about 3
njye n'uwo mugore imyaka 3 ishize nako nyuma y'imyaka 3 amaze kwica iyo famiye twaje guhura
right?
tubaje guhura nyine ntura umuntu hasi ndimanukira umugore w'icyihebe byari kutuza
Don't fucking say.
abantu bakomeje ubivuga ko twaryamanye n'uwo mugore
She looks in your eyes and she.
akurebye mu maso ashobora kumenya ko nakubwiye ko twaryamanye yatwica
Fucking sounds like a right crazy bitch to me.
Oh, she is Frenchie, but I don't want to wind up hurting her, you know, physically, I mean.
uwo mugore ni mubi cyane sinshaka ko tuza guserera nawe
Done.
I'm with
nta
Vine.
bintu by'urugomo nshaka ndashaka tugende dufata amafaranga tugenda
No more hurting my fellow man.
amana iri kuvuga ngo nta kubabaza abantu nta rugomo tugiye kwishyuza ubwo uravuga iki
Maybe, okay? Maybe it was fucking life threatening.
Well, good luck with that.
wenda tugende tubatera ubwoba tubakange ariko ntiturwane
This though, right? How do you expect to collect 3 Vigs in
urumva mu minsi 2 twakwishyuza ahantu hatatu nta murwano ubayemo urumva byagenda gute
No.
ntabwo bishoboka
No.
niko mwavuga
You're gonna do 50-50, right? Partners.
turabungariza turagabana 50 kuri 50 bari butwishyure
Let's hope it doesn't get to that.
Well, it probably fucking will, won't it? Let's be honest.
Do me a favor. Pull over to the next stop, Frenchie.
urabizi parika ari imbere mbanze nkwe byeri unteye n'icyaka ni umusinzi Eric Ross ifungura agafanta tube tukaho ubu ni umupampu ushinzwe icyo kunywa n'icyo kurya muri Rock Entertainment turatwika zaba pampe mfite yaje akora ino yeah zan kuri sitasiyo yazana ashyiremo esanse nta bapompisite babayo kumbe bari kugenda yabonye ikimodoka gisa gukiza aho bari kimeze gutyo we bamusereje ngo imodoka imeze nka bya bitebe by'ibicumba ngo nuko gifite ikintu cyitwikiriye hejuru ni wheelchair ifite rufu hejuru Mijinga twara bwa modoka mbega nimba ujibona zimwe zanyu hey aza kureba ino modoka buno ntiyadukurikiye
He walking his ass over here.
Mukinga azanye agatafari kano harimo abirabura babiri
What's up, lads? Can I help you with something?
nabafashara amwereka imbunda
Can you?
ntago mbizi French wadufasha
Motherfucker.
subira inyuma uvuye wa mugingo baranamuzi n'amazina ye ngo ni French ikangamo hey baranamuzi
Bitch ass motherfucker, man.
subira inyuma torori jira modoka
You okay, Frenchie?
Is French?
See that black SUV?
urabona iriya modoka y'umukara SUV
Yeah.
Was a
ndayibona
massive blokes.
hari abajinga babiri b'abirabura
Fuck off machine gun.
abajinga bafite machine gun
What's that about?
bazi n'izina ryanjye ni bandi
They've been following me ever since I left.
kuva nava Los Angeles barankurikiye.
Oh yeah.
Yego.
Actually, they were outside your dive bar up in Rancho.
Wabona boherejwe ngo baze kureba nimba dukora akazi neza.
Mission skills back there, Frenchie. Just wondering.
Babohereje nk'ikipe nyine iza kureba ko turi bwishyuza akazi kakagenda neza.
Kicking on just took. Why they tailing her?
Urumva ntabwo umuntu yakoreza kwishyuza amafaranga ye ntashyireho umuntu w'ingenzi wo kumenya ko numara kwishyuza utayacikana.
What for?
Barana abaje gucunga.
What? Oh yeah, to make sure we get the money and then make sure we don't run away.
Nyine barana abagomba gucunga nimba amafaranga nituyafata tutari buyacikane nta kindi.
Who's Tommy collecting for?
Frenchie, I don't
Ariko ni Tommy tugiye kwishyuriza amafaranga n'umuntu wacu aratuzi.
play. Get the money back to Tommy.
Tugiye dufata amafaranga tuyasubize Tommy twitahire nta bindi. Kira vuba. Sasa bisa nkaho Tommy baziranye cyane ku buryo yumva ko Tom ataka bashyizeho ingenza ziza gucunga nimba bakora akazi neza. Biramutunguye. Baje kurino. Bari kujya Las Vegas, Nevada. Hey, uyu ni umujyi wo gutwika. Iyo ufite yawe niho ujya kuyarira ubundi. Mbega ni umujyi wakiryo no kuryoshya. Baje muri uwo mujyi. Yeah.
No, Frenchie. Just come in.
Mbaye munota umwe French.
You alright, mate?
Mwana umeze neza baje kureba ngo umugore bigeze kuryamana kera mubi cyane we n'umwicanyi. Witwa Maurice.
You're afraid of any man, you know that, right?
Yeah.
But now, she's different.
Uwo mugore mbere nibwo yari umuntu wanjye ubu arasigaye ari umuntu utandukanye.
A deadline, aren't we? Remember?
Mane dufite iminsi ntarengwa tukiri vuba tugende. Bari gukorera ku masaha ku minsi. Baba bamaze kuyishyuza. Bagiye kwishyuza umuntu wa mbere witwa Maurice. Maurice. Bimeze bite? Akurino. Baje mu kabari.
Miss Reese is a busy woman, so be
Maurice murabizi ni umugore ugira akazi kenshi.
get to the point quickly.
Muvuge vuba ikibagenza. Munkurikire mbagezeho muvuge ikibagenza muhite mutaha.
Check out the thighs on that.
Nabonye kari agatafari we.
Do you reckon she charges people to put them in a scissor hold?
Gee,
Pfa.
you be serious, you can.
Mani baseri. Tayanyicisha. Utangira kureba udutafari ngo turi hano. Mumbe hakuri no muri ako kabari bajemo. Nakwitwa Maurice.
Sound check's still going, so stay out the way.
Baje hakurino.
Can I get them a drink? All right, Mrs. Reese will be right with you.
Hey, take a
Hey.
please. And,
Giye mu mamazi.
this guy whiskey.
Uyu muhe whisky.
It's a nice place. You should have stayed with her.
Uyu mugore ndabona ahantu heza yuza gukomeza ugakundana nawe. Cicika wakiguriki. Yakibwiye ngo giceceke. Ngo uwo mugore atamenya ko bavuze ko uyu baryamanye atamenya ko nabikubwiye. Bya bintu bya Nshuti Joseph.
Linsky Golden Boy,
Solinsky Golden Boy Baker.
turn of the main contestant.
Ndabona wigarukiye dore wa mugore yarashaje.
Still a knockout.
Marizi na n'ubu uracyari mwiza pe.
But we both know it was you that got
Ntabwo
knocked.
turabizi ko ari we icyo gihe wari urenze.
I made it back from that night.
Fayo.
Maybe I never will now. But either way, it's really nice to see you again.
Well,
Ariko hagati byiza kongera kubona.
yard arm and
Izuba rimeze nabi hanze.
to say no to a job.
Ndabizi ntabwo wakwanga icyo kunywa.
Actually,
Urebye
kind of all finished with that now, Mel. Yeah, clean and sober all the way.
twe dufite akazi kenshi tugomba kurangiza kandi tutasinze bakiri soba.
It's the 155K.
Tommy yamamagaye ngomba kubishyura 155.
While the money's ready, I got a
Amafaranga yanyu arateguye.
phone call.
Bakimara kumamagara nahise nyategura ngo nyabahe. Ariko
Okay, okay.
nta mikino to
A
amafaranga.
large sum of money to save my bacon.
Nagwishije amafaranga menshi ngira ngo nite kuri business zanjye.
Then he goes and gets himself killed. So I think I got lucky and got off. But then
Uwo
he
nari nayagujije yaje kwicwa.
act.
None nuko nongeye kwishyuzwa n'undi muntu ariko ngomba kuyishyura ni mwene wabo. Katorore.
A long way through a hot blood.
Umva twafashe urugendo rure tuva kure.
We know how to pussyfoot around, so if you've already prepared the readies, let's have it. And we'll clear out, yeah?
Does the English shoe salesman know
Yeah.
talking to him what I do to
Uyu yari hakurino.
Boys.
Umva ntabwo nkunda utwana tw'uduhungu tuvuga gutyo tuvugisha abantu bakuru. Marizi.
Time listening, but
Nicyo gihe ngo twumve.
In my club, you call me Miss
Muri club yanjye banyita Miss Louise.
Respect, and I demand
Ni icyubahiro mba nkeneye hano.
Please.
Fa Miss Louise tubabarire.
And we'll go.
Tuba amafaranga twigendera ibyo by'ibyubahiro ni ibiki.
name, little
Witwa nde musore muto?
it's
Yitwa
they're calling French, just like
French mwite French.
off, Mr.
It's
French.
just French, by the way.
Umva nyita French wantu ureka ibintu byinshi.
Hillary. We've come a long way from LA. We have to go.
Umva twaturutse Los Angeles.
Okay.
Turashaka gusubirayo.
Please.
Uyarakaye umusore yanga umugore hano uri kumusuzugura.
Miss Britt. She has your money.
uriya Miss Brit afite amafaranga yanyu.
Give the bag to Mr. French.
icyo gikapu gereza Mr. French akahita anakamera kugira ngo mutazavuga ngo ntiyabishyuye.
She'll be shooting some footage.
abagomba kubakamera kugira ngo bigaragare ko yabahaye.
The money's all there and accounted for.
You know what, Mallory? Maybe you should keep filming until we get all the way to the car if you plan it out.
nimba asabwa muri abakamera mwadukamiye tukarinda tugera no mu modoka yacu tutagera imbere mukayatwaka tutaragera no mu modoka.
Good.
ni sawa ni sawa.
Why don't you hang with me a minute, Sue?
so waba uretse tukaba turi kumwe gato. Mr. French n'abasohotse.
I'm sure Mr. French can find his own way.
ka Mr. French n'ubundi wamugeze hanze inzira yaraza kuyibona. Mugore nakubwiye ati ikintu twitaho cyane hano ni ugusobanura filime ijambo kurindi biriya bintu umuntu azagasakuriza muri filime ngo nanjye ndatwika kora no kogeza ntago ari ugusobanura.
Now you look like a jigsaw puzzle with
kera wari bogari none dore ukuntu usigaye usa nabi. ugiye n'iki kibazo bano nyine iminsi myiza ngo barayigiranye. Tokasata abasaza n'umukecuru.
Can taste the caviar you had for dinner last night, Mal.
uzi ko mise mu muriro ibintu wariye ninjoro mu kanwa.
side. But you chose LA instead and look
wakagombye kuba warangumye uruhande tugakumana ariko wahisemo kujya muri LA Los Angeles.
tonight. I want you to think of me and the life that you
ninjoro nuza kuba uri koga uze kwireba noneho wibuke ibihe byiza twakabaye twaragiranye ariko imvuga bakoresheje njyewe ngo ahantu yakabaye ari kureba ari koga ninjoro sinabivuga ndiyubashye. ngo naza kuba ari koga yireba aze kwibuka ibihe byiza bari kuba baragiranye n'uburyo umugore ngo yatwikaga.
Don't scare the fucking piss out of me, but your lips are magnificent.
umva iminwa yawe iracyari myiza pe. mukecuru imanuki mukecuru sire yuko ni mukecuru imanuki muzehe cyakora tujye duceceka twarariye ni urusaza rero twarariye twaranyweye. nuko abantu badashima.
I'll tell you what, that was a piece of piss, wasn't it? She just gave me some...
mani ko byari byoroshye isato amafaranga turagenda.
Mate,
umve
Your problem.
ufite icyo
Was
kibazo.
it a boy too easy French?
uburyo duhayemo amafaranga byoroshye ntabwo bisanzwe.
That's not the Mallory.
marizi nzi ntabwo ari kuriya kora ntabwo yapfa kukwishyura gutyo kumbe koko mayabo Yesu Kristo.
You Frenchy, this shit.
sinakubwiraga French bohereje umuntu ngo aza twakara amafaranga bari batwishyuye.
No one's ever...
ibaza umuntu yagukamenya kwishyura kugeza mu modoka uragenda arangije aragukurikira ya mafaranga yagwaye yakwake ubwo ntabwo wajya kuri boss umubwira ngo ntabwo banyishyuye. boss yavuga ati barayagwaye nabonye video wayariye arabafasha. kano kazi ko kwishyuza ntabwo kaba koroshye.
Difference, right? Because this piece of shit couldn't get away anyway.
bafayo n'imbunda shaka amafaranga bamaze kubishyura mu kanya.
What do we got here?
ufite icyana
Machine gun, 3 batons. What do you want to do?
batatu bafite inkoni n'umwe ufite machine gun.
Stocks, ain't denouncing you, is it, mate?
mana ubundi njye ntabwo nkunda ibintu by'imirwano.
Here for the money, boys.
basore tuje gutwara ayo mafaranga.
We'll be nice back.
Look at this ginger prick. AK-47. That is pretty much the wankiest assault rifle anyone could get.
$2 million.
uriya mugingo ufite imbunda wagira ngo ntazi no kuyikoresha.
Didn't rest in the receiver. I bet this prick's never had a range session in his life. Okay,
afashe imbunda nk'umujangweri mbega.
I'm gonna take him.
uriya ngiye kumufata ufite imbunda bari batatu basigaye nawe urwane nabo.
I get to take out 3. How's that?
mana urufata umwe ngiye mfate batatu.
Assault rifle.
wumva njye ngiye gufata umwe ufite assault rifle imbunda mbi cyane.
It's a girl.
She look like a girl. It's a fucking monster.
umwe ngarafata uw'imbunda undi afate batatu.
Simple.
umva ngiye gufata uw'imbunda bari batatu ugenda bakubite ni ibintu byoroshye ibigabo byose ni indwanyi.
Well, that means you're
nari
resting.
maze igihe nakubita umugore bivuze rero ngo wararuhutse noneho ubu wamukubita neza. umva ikigoryi ariko ngo nari maze igihe nakubita umugore ikindi ubwo nyine urumva wararuhutse nibwo uri bumukubite neza. uyagomba gukubita uw'imbunda gusa uyakajya kuri ba bandi batatu bimeze biti. hey bunda umugongo uyu akazi karakarangije. ye giti hey uyu hey bose nirwanyi ku mutwe sore mutebutse giti hey fi ye katurare paji hey kubita umugore ngo yaramaze kabiri adakubita umugore.
You hit me with the bat. I'm
We can run for now.
nkubise inkoni niyo mpamvu ngukubise ibi ntabwo minangiye.
spray. We're not the ones running. Go and get out of here.
vana ugende waninje ntabwo ari twe turi bwiruke. ngukubitiye ninje ariko ninje nkubise igiti muzehe nakubwiye ngo ntabwo ari akazi koroshye twimanukire.
Nice work, old man. Guess being
koza akazi keza muzehe.
unique.
She what can I tell you? She hit me in the head with a bat.
kiriya gikobwa kinkubise inkoni mu gutwi.
Wouldn't beat yourself up about it.
bari hano babandi bagomba gucunga ko bano bakora akazi neza baraza.
It's nice to see you guys show up.
Yeza ko babona abasore
Do it for you.
kabagira inama.
You get out and you give us a fucking hand.
Ubutani duhura n'ibibazo mwaje mukadufasha.
So you two fight. Not bad for a couple has been.
Twebwe twishyuriwe kuza kubacunga ntago ari ukubafasha.
Look at Blondie, man.
Mani reba uriho imisatsi y'umweru.
Has those eyes anyway, I'm telling you.
Genda mbona ari ahantu muzi mani nyamara niwe mwana. Bigori kibiravuga ibiki ngo ari ahantu bimuzi. N'uyu musaza.
Oh, these guys say I don't know.
Mani ibintu bigori kintu byane.
The fuck man working for? Let's just focus on.
Ubundi bakorera mani twe twite ku kazi kacu.
Let's just move on.
Sasa uyu nguyu French ntago yumva ko umuntu bari kwishyurizo yitwa Tom.
Through the night a lot.
Tommy yaba yabatumyeho abantu bamucunga kuko arabizera basanzwe bakorana.
Time's good. We need to have the money in by Friday. We
Yeah, I need some goddamn rest if I'm expecting.
Kuwa gatatu tugomba kuba twatanze amafaranga yose.
Listen, mate. These machines, they
Umva
work without the cost.
bino bigumi byacu ubona ntago byakora udafite mu mutwe rero ntago ari ugupfa kugenda turwana twishyuza tutazi ibyo turi kwishyuzamo.
Don't work.
Izi ngumi zacu cyangwa se izi mashini ntago zakora hatarimo fitensi cyangwa se hatarimo akantu kazikoresha ni ubwonko bwo. Tujye muri hoteli. Nahise baza hano. Muzehe arashaje ariko aracyari ibandi. Ni iniga y'umusaza. Louis Mandela. Bogari dore yarashaje. Sha burya iminsi ni mibi. Nimumuzi yaratwitse. Yo. Do. Kazi kabari indyango urye no kujya kuryama ufite udukomere wikanda kanda. Muga hoteli. Bafite ahandi hantu habiri hasigaye ho kwishyuza. Telefone. Ako nino. Ni Tommy Mukire.
Yeah.
Yego. Tommy.
So we got the money from Maurice.
Maurice twamukwe amafaranga hasigaye babiri.
Oh, you know.
Yitwaye neza urabizi.
But I got a question, man.
Ariko ngufitiye ikibazo.
Seem to picked up some company, two brothers.
Bisa nkaho twakurikiwe. Dufite abasore babiri badukurikiye bangurikiye kuva Los Angeles.
Yeah, just making sure you don't blow with the dough.
Abo ni babiri nyine bo kumenya ko amafaranga mutari buyangize twatumye.
How you doing, Tommy? You doing okay?
Umeze gute Tommy? Umeze neza?
I mean, just worry about the next two.
Ntugire ikibazo kuri njye ukora akazi kawe.
Anything else? Maybe I need to know about this.
Nimba ari ikindi wambwira nkeneye kumenya wambwira.
It's kind of hard to talk right now. Yeah, I understand, Tommy. No problem.
Ndabyumva Tommy.
Tomorrow, okay? You look after yourself.
Ejo nzakuvugisha.
Got you into this suit.
Bare ko nagushyize muri ibi. Bahita bakupa. Yeah.
Is that you, Frenchie? Come on in, it's open.
Managed to snag one of these from across the street. Thought it might help me sleep.
Come in. What do you got there?
You know, mate, got a bit of the old rooster.
Rooster.
Uyu yaje kumureba yarari. Mani mvuye kuzana Rooster Roho.
Frenchie.
Rooster Rojo ubwo niko bandikanye ariko ni Rooster Roho niko basoma. Mvuye kumugurira koko.
Decline. Stone Cold Turkey. And I meant what I said.
Mani ngomba kwanga iyi nzoga uyunywe wenyine nubwo wari ukoze neza.
Yeah? Well, I guess getting shot by a machine gun will make you reevaluate those decisions in life.
Mani kare habuze gato ngo baturashishe machine gun umuntu agomba kunywamo.
Good stuff.
Soka mu yinywere.
So come on then, mate. Said you died twice, right? You see?
Mani habuze gato ngo upfa inshuro ebyiri.
No, like, bright lights or you lie.
Ese cyagiye haburaga gato ngo upfe wabonaga nk'urumuri wabonaga ikimbwira. Nawe se wewe.
What did you say?
We cyagiye bakurasa wabonye icyo ubwo ugiye gupfa.
Bumping off like you, mate, but
Mani ngiye ibyo nabonye ubwo nari ngiye gupfa. Nkubwisha ukuri.
it's kind of embarrassing.
Sha byanse bya mbivuze. Wumve.
Why is that?
Kubera iki? Wumve ikiganiro. Nkubwiye ngiye gupfuza ibintu nabonye.
Look, I don't know if I was hallucinating or what, but
Sinzi nimba ari ibintu nabonye mu mutwe cyari byari bihari.
you,
Banjyanye mu cyumba cyo kumbagiramo.
honestly, right? Platinum blonde hair,
Haza kaganga
narrow.
gateye neza gafite agatafari gafite imisatsi y'umweru kagaforomokazi.
So anyway,
Sinari nzi ahandi nareba usibye ku gatafari.
in this place, right? It's like,
Mana aho hantu hari hakonje.
yeah, and I'm shivering like
Uwo muganga rero ngiye ubwo nari ngiye gupfa yaraje amagarara imbere.
because I'm looking up at this bird and she's cutting,
Ndangije ndaryama.
and I'm trying to be like,
Ankuramo imyenda nari nambaye nyine muganga.
it's just a regular occurrence for this stud, you know.
Arangije arandeba.
So anyway, there she is,
Umuganga areba ku myanya myibarukiro yanjye.
underwear,
Akuramo imyenda akabokisa kanjye.
dark, bollock.
Sigara nambaye ubusa umuforomokazi andeba. Uteye neza. Umva rero ukuntu byari bimeze.
I'm not a small man.
ntago hasi ndi mutoya ubwo murabyumva
Thoroughbred stallion either, but
nyine sindi na munini cyane
the thing is
ariko ndi hagati aho ndaringaniye muri kubyumva
fucking cold in this.
hari hakonje ariko mani nyine nk'icyamamare nirwanyeho
Oh,
umve
a little nub, right?
ariko umva mwana yisingiranya
Simple, mate.
icyamamare ndimanukira kandi bari bagiye kumvura narashwe
Stand up.
fata umuganga rwose umvisha ariko iyo nkuru
Harrison.
urumva atari igisebo mani kuba nari ngiye gupfa nkabanza nkirwanaho
Would make any man blush, yeah?
mbega ikigo ryano
So come on then, mate.
mani nawe mbwira wowe ugiye gupfa wabonye iki rero watubwiye ibye yari wiriya yarabanje aratwika aravuga ati ntakurama kudapfa
No?
yatuye hasi
Because what happened to me was perfect, yeah? Absolutely perfect.
njye ibyambayeho byari ibintu byiza cyane
The chance to finally tell someone you respect makes it feel all the more
ni
special.
ibintu byiza iyo ubwiye umuntu wubaha wumva nawe uri umuntu udasanzwe uri mu bw'ibanga ryawe ze naramubonye French agiye gupfa
I saw Millie.
nabonye Mary n'akana ke
She was waving back.
yari guseka
Just thinking, you know?
ampepera ubwo yari agiye gupfa we nawe bamurashe yabonye akana ke kari kishimye
She wasn't disappointed in her own man.
yari ameze nk'adatengushwe n'ibikorwa byanjye
She looked like a little angel staring back at me.
yari ameze nk'akamarika kari kundeba ubwo yari agiye gupfa yiboneye umwana we mu gihe iki kigo ry'icyo nyine nawe ibyo cyabonye mwana si iby'i Rwanda ishusho irangije irabura hey
That's beautiful, mate.
ibyo ni byiza mwana
Bloody hell, here I am banging on about my tiny cock, and you've gone and hit me with the.
mu gihe ngende ndi kukubwira ibyerekeranye n'ukuntu nirwanya ariko abakoresheje ijambo rimwe ribi ntasobanura wowe urumva wiboneye umwana wawe ngiye mu gihe nari ndi kukubwira akahita avuga ijambo ribi nyine ntavuga kandi arivuga wagira ngo ntabwo avuze ikintu kibirega akimanukira
Glad you got to see him, mate.
nishimiye ko bashe kubona umwana wawe
Me too.
akana ke kapfuye ariko yarakabonye nyine agiye gupfa
That's good stuff.
kano kayoga kararyoshye
Okay, we got an early ride.
mani nywa gake mu gitondo turazinduka
I'll be fine, mate. Don't
mani
worry.
njye nongereho ikibazo twazinduka twagira twe turanywa si ukwibeshyera
Oh, you were right, by the way.
gusa wavuze ukuri
You know the day we got shot?
wa munsi baturasa
I should listen to you.
nakabaye narakumviye menye barabarasiye umunsi umwe mu gice cya mbere
We're better off than we are now, that's for sure. Glad you're still alive, mate.
gusa nishimiye ko ukiri muzima mwana umugabo yivugira icyongereza cy'abongereza n'umwongereza 100% ubanza taco nyine ubwo urumva abanagoranye abari kugora icyamamare ariko se ko twize neza tukimanukira nya Mutebutsi aravunanye bakomeza imbere na mutari mubizi cyaba bibahisha nakurina
Okay, Frenchie. We're here.
okay French twahageze
We're a little early, so let's kick back a little bit, yeah? Wait till Leona gets here.
tugiye kuba twicaye dutegereze nyiri iduka nimba ari iduka nimba ari igiki nyiri hano bagiye kwishyuza aza kingure
Alright, mate, you get your beauty sleep.
rero bya byiza ubabisinziriye
Just wake me up, yeah?
ngiye kuba nsinzire dutegereze nyiri hano nakingura urankangura
The only one around here who needs to do some stretching is you.
yarabanza yifunga mu maso kugira ngo nyine asinzire nta mucyo na mucyo abona uyahita asinzira mani ngiye kuba nsinziriye uze kunkangura nijoro ntiyamaze bitotse nanjye ahantu hose ngeze mpita nsinzira bakira bamwe babacunga bavayo barikomereza nabagomba kubacunga ko amafaranga bishyuje batayarya katorori uyaza mu modoka
Come on, oi.
umusa avuye kugura agakawa
Coffee, huh?
kubita agakawa
Wakey, mate.
byuka mwana
You alright?
yeah ni su ntabwo baba baryamye baba banakubiswe harimo n'imvune nyine hari utuzi tuba tuvunanye tu n'aka kazi kanjye karamvuna iyo mbonye umuntu ashaka kundira ku mafaranga nta kintu yankoreye ndaseka ati ntabwo abaza amagambo mba nabuze ngaseka mbabaye kugira ngo ntwike
Okay.
Okay. Zana hano.
Esteban Madrid.
Tugiye kureba witwa Esteban Madrid. 95,000 byari bwishyura.
Boxing club. What?
Ndetse ni bosi w'ahantu bakinira iteramakofi. Man afite boxing club. Bagiye kwishyuza umuntu ufite club y'iteramakofi.
Yeah, that's right, you.
Ibyo uri gusoma nibyo. Yeah.
And he's trained a lot of good fighters.
Uyu mugabo ni indwanyi hatari.
That can actually fight is woefully fucking small.
Ndetse ngafite n'abasore b'indwanyi.
Yeah, well.
Bagiye kwishyuza umuntu noneho ufite gym, nako si gym ni club y'iteramakofi.
There's discipline. There's these. Yeah?
Ubundi abantu bitoza ibintu by'imirwanire by'ibi bipfunsi bagomba kuba bafite discipline.
I think a lot of people might disagree with that, mate. Just a few people.
It's not.
Discipline nayo uri n'imirwanire man, yari abantu benshi ibyo mutabyumvikanaho, mutebutse arabihakana.
God, what I am saying is,
Cyo cyo kuvuga ni
beat science. It's fucking classy.
Oh, yeah, man.
man, ibintu byose bijyanye na siporo no kubura umuntu urwana urenze, uba ugomba kubura umuntu wiyubashye. Ufite discipline.
Is it fucking open?
Man, iduka nako ya club bayifunguye.
Inside? You don't know, right?
Ntago ubizi.
You're supposed to be on fucking watch.
Wakagombye kuba uri gucunga ukamenyera igihe bafunguriye, kumbe bafunguye kare. Man, nagiye kugura ikawa.
Between us leaving with the money and getting our fucking asses kicked by a bunch of prize fighters, yeah?
Wa mukinga we watumye indwanyi ze zinjira muri club kandi twagomba kumwishyuza indwanyi ze zitaraza muri gym. Sasu yakoze ikosa. Yagomba gucunga boss nyiri club agifungura bakinjiramo abaza muri sport bataraza b'indwanyi ze. Uko uyu yisha akazi ni mutebutse. Binjirayo. Tujye kwishyuza tunone se ko twarwiyemeje. Nanjye yari genso bagiye kwishyuza twe Esteban Madrid. Tatorore. Muri club ya boxing. Bano bandiga bitera amakofe barakatsindwa. To. Batipe bitera amakofe. Yeah.
Frenchie.
Impumuro Frenchie.
Don't forget.
Ni ikintu utajya wibagirwa impumuro y'aha hantu. Menya nawe yarateyeho amakofi. Niba umuntu amaze iminsi ari mu mayoga nta gasiporo nta kido. Nta gasiporo ntacyo ariko Muze mwana ya mayoga twazado. Mana gwaza w'ijuru kubita igikapu cyacu. Urabanza ukinjira ugasinya ukishyura. Urabamambure basha. Yarakubita. Wait.
I got the defibrillator for you.
Oh, I wouldn't worry about it, mate. It's tougher than he looks.
Hey, umusaza arakomeye kurusha uko umubona.
Two assholes, get the fuck out of my gym.
Munsokere muri gym.
There's no need for language like that, pal.
Nta mpamvu yo kuvuga ururimi gutyo.
Madrid. I
Uje kuri Madrid.
can't get him, would you?
Mutujyaneho.
Fuck off.
Subirayo.
Listen, mate, if you're gonna get saucy, fucking do something.
Mani mutangiye kuvuga nabi twabikemura.
Time to piss about comparing whose is bigger.
If you knew me, you know that mine is.
Iyo uza kubunzi ntago wakabaye uri kumbwira utwo tugambo. We yaramuseka.
Oh, right.
Oh.
You're a tough guy, aren't you?
Niwe musore ukomeye hano se. Okay.
Now this confidence that you're showing me right now?
Kino cyizere uri kunyereka nonaha.
Fine, mate.
Man, umeze nk'impumyi. Ntago nzi.
What you need to know is I'm the bloke
Icyo uzi cyo
into a boxing club.
tu umuntu winjiye muri boxing club yanyu.
Gobshite.
Wabakubita mwese ngasohoka muryamye hasi ahita amanuka.
I'm doing it in front of all of his boyfriends.
Ibi byose kandi nagukubitira imbere y'aba basheri bawe b'abahungu mbega bita batinganya. Aba ba boyfriend bawe nabagukubitira imbere.
You're a complete fucking nutcase.
Ushobora kunyita ko ndumusazi
Do as I said.
ariko kora icyo nkubwiye.
Your boss, yeah?
Keza kuri boss we wakigoryiwe.
Okay.
Kubura umuntu witera amakofu uzingura arenze umuntu ukabona aje kumenyera gutya nabyo bitekerezaho. Hari igihe uvuga ati buriya sumushe pewe. Ya system ya jama reba umuntu wese ufite icyizera. Mari buriya ni umusirikare.
Like his job, you really know how to throw yourself into it, Frenchie. Nice.
Just trying to get this done and pull this shite behind us. Besides, they're only boxers, right?
Bano ni babantu bitera amakofi man. They are only boxers, ntago ari abantu bahatari. Uyu muginga ntagazi ko mu mikino yose y'imirwanire imikino njyarugamba. Umukino urenze burani boxing umuntu utera amakofi yakwica. Va kuri bwakungufu va mu biki.
Good. And we don't have to go.
Ntago mwari mubizi nyine mwebwe nikanjye mbibabwira.
Let's have it.
Gusa uyu muginga arabanga si babandi batera udukofisi.
My boys. Wasn't a loan, so it's not a debt.
Amafaranga bamese yari ideni rero gusa n'inguzanyo.
Can't pay back.
Na amafaranga ntagushije bampaye nk'inguzanyo.
We could stick it.
Genda ubwire Tommy aceceke.
It seems to get complicated, doesn't it?
Ibintu hano bigiye kugorana.
We wouldn't have a job if it didn't, Frenchie.
Ati ibintu biba bitagoranye ntago twari kuba dufite akazi French woni su. Mbega kwishyuza abantu bakakugora bivuze ko ariyo mpamvu baba babuhirije.
Prospects back in the day. He ruined his title shot.
You know who he is then? And you should also know that he's had every goddamn excuse in the book. So listen, mate, we're in nice and early, aren't we? Do me a favor. Give us the money and...
mani dufashe dukorere faveur doye amafaranga tuve hano tugende ubiho.
Yeah. You know, if you're serious about boxing, you should never fight outside your weight division.
Nimba muzi ibintu bijyanye na boxing ntabwo ukwiye kurwana n'umuntu kurusha ibiro. Muri boxing habamo ibintu by'ibiro. Kumva habaho bawo heavyweight biki.
Two are here to reclaim your sponsor.
Bano bantu babiri baje gutwara amafaranga y'inkunga yawe.
No sparring partner.
Amafaranga adahari ntabwo uzongera gukora siporo.
No expense.
Amafaranga tuzongera kwangizaho birabirangiye kandi uyu niwe champion.
Pussies is getting your gloves on.
Man, babita amapusi. Zino pusi zebyiri ziri hano ndazikubita.
Too much of a sweet science for me anyway, right?
Man, wambwiye ngo urindwanye isi. Wamukubise.
I guess it's you.
Ngaho genda urwane nawe n'umutsinda ubwo. Amafaranga yanyu murayabona. Muze yagiye kurwana n'umusore muto witoza itera amakofi.
That fucking money, trust me.
Giye gukubita umusore wawe nze dutwara amafaranga. Nagutsinda.
Pick up the gloves, old man.
Fata ibyo bigama uze tugende.
I got this French.
French bino ndabiko umusaza no kunama biramugora amaze gusaza kagongo umusaza. Do. Agiye kurwana n'akana gahora kitoza ni champion winner. Do mwana uri fit ufite n'amaraso ashyushye muze yamaze gusaza n'amayoga ya hato na hato. Bagutura hasi bya hato na hato.
New pacifist code.
Muze we mukubita utuje.
Friendship to sport in its purest form.
Man, iyi ni sport.
Prime.
Hano ni abatereti babiri bagiye guhura. Katorori. Muze avayo. Muri ringi bajya kurikira filimi. Twagiye. Muze kuga kweto ke do. Muze kumwana muto uri fit. Tamaraso ashyushye. Champion. Muze nta mwana unyara ku kabari. Muze niyo principe agendera nta mwana wihagarika ku kabari. Ntawubaho. Muze kura umwana. Twika. Muze. Wana njye ariko mfite n'abafana amaboko muye yamanuye. Muze uramubona ariko. Amaboko muye yamanuye. Katururi. Muze. We. Muze hasi. Poko. Muze bara tamika. Muze yaratamitswe.
You good?
Mbese neza mwana haguruka. Bari kumushuka bari hanze. Muze yarashaje umwana uri hano arabangutse n'umusportif. Man bino bikora muze bamukurame. Gasani. Muze bamukubise knockout. Kigwa cyo mukubise apfukamye. Kandi ntabwo byemewe.
Come on, you can do it. Let's go.
Bane haguruka twabikora. Cyane byanze.
Come on, mate, you can...
Rero nutabikora ntabwo tubona amafaranga. Yaramucira.
You got a something for your boy?
Man, none se ubundi ko nategereza waje tukaba rero turwana.
We're leaving here with the fucking money.
Man, uko byagenda kose tuvana amafaranga hano. Ko byamera kose tuvana amafaranga hano. Siko kazi kabo ko byamera kose akazi turagakora. None se ko nta mirage badusigiye. Sikagomba gukorwa. Niyo magambo. Katorori.
Queensbury rules, right? Yeah, well.
Man, twika.
Go do your thing.
Mwambika gloves.
Thanks.
Mewe. Tera. Wapi. Mwana uri hano. Sportifu. Mesa neza cyane. Muri informe. Mwana tabutsi. Uye. Mwirabura urenze hano. Katorori. Uyaza gufana. Ushaje usigaho ubundi niko bavuga. Tera. Tabutsi yaje anavuga ngo si abantu batera udukofesi. Tera udukofesi. Frenchy. Hey. Tera. Punch. Mutamitse. We. Katorori. Kira tugire. Kira. Hey. Kira. Aramutamika.
You're good.
Kandi meze neza. Hey. Tera. Punch. Hey. Bosse punch. Jagasani. Punch. Hey. Mugabo yavangamo n'imigeri ubundi ntago iba yemeye muri boxing. Man azanyemo n'imigeri. Bya bindi twarwana kacera ngo imigeri nayirimo. We wambaye inkweto ngo banzu zikuremo. Yeah. Katorori. Hey. Katorori. Tera. We. Hey. Mugabo rero champion bangutse cyane. Mese neza. Fit. Hey. Amavi. Mundi nako byemewe azanamo za tekinike zayitafunira mu mavi. Yatabizana bakajya mu ngumi gusa. Mana aramwibye. Umuvunye kaboko. bose arabateranira. Hey, Katurore kure y'imbunda. Champion bamuvunnye akaboko. Uzi kuba ukina umukino w'itera amakofe umuginga akakuvuna akaboko. Abagufashe kunda bamenye ko bagusubije ku isuka. Yava muri ringe yaje yabasuzuguye nibwo abonye ko itera amakofe mwana ibi bintu ntago bisanzwe. Ciao wa mukinga we. Girasu amafaranga barayabahaye nakubwiye ngo nta kazi koroshye ku isi kabaho na Bibiliya Imana yarivugiye mu itangira uwitwa umugabo azarya yiyushya kuya.
Yeah, sponsorship money.
Bana amafaranga ntago yari nguzanyo.
Fucking Barbosa.
Iyi yari impano Barbosa yaduhaye. Uvuze guki?
Barbosa.
Barbosa.
Fucking sucker punch me.
Barbosa ni wari watuguru waraduhaye n'amafaranga nk'inkunga muri iyi club ya boxing.
Don't you fucking move.
Ntuvo ngaho. Barbosa ngo ni wari wagushije amafaranga. None kuki Tomari uri kuyishyuza kandi amafaranga ari amafaranga yatanzwe n'uwitwa ngo Barbosa. Basha kurinu. Katurore. Yeah.
Fuck out of here, yeah?
Tuvano tugende. Tuvano tugende. Munangira Imana yarivugiye ati umugabo azarya yiyushya kuya. Ntago wapfa kurya ibintu utakoze. Ngiye niyo mbonye ibintu by'ubuntu ngira ubwoba. Ariko mba nakoze reka nge nyarya. Ndavuga.
Could have been a good
tiruka imihanda.
It's for him like you did, you know. It's very cold friendship, very cold.
Bagarutse hakuri no kunywamo.
Sure, my man, didn't I?
Ni ukurya wakoze mwana umusarika tujye turya tuba twakoze do.
And you've got a tongue.
Mwana warahindutse n'uburyo usigaye uvugamo.
It's what we have to next time, man.
Turakurikizaho he.
Let's have a look at this.
Katureba aho tugiye gukurikiza. Reba. Bari kurya Robingo, snacks za Robingo. Derizan.
Canoga Park.
Canoga Park.
Joyous.
So bagiye kuki.
Skinner 200.
Silas Skinner. Ibihumbi 255. Yesu Kristo amafaranga menshi cyane bikanzemo nabo. Iyo bagiye kwishyuza amafaranga nta muntu wapfa kuyishyura. Baze bagutumye ngo ujya kunyishyuriza uriya muntu miliyoni nako miliyari ni urugero. Nawe wagenda ufite ubwo ukavuga ati amafaranga arayabona koko. Cyaranyica. Rabinjiye. Baba pampe.
Damn.
Basore.
Right on course.
Muri kurya mutwa Robingo. Muri kurya snacks za Robingo. Bifite n'akamenyero.
Cause you boys look fucked up.
Man, ariko mwana ngenda bona musa nk'abangijwe, bangijwe.
Ask him, man.
Mubaze mwana.
Down and out.
Mwana reka tukubaze rero.
Oh, he here reckons he saw you and saw.
Uyu musore wanje iyo yibutsana kuzi muri filime yo kurwana.
You the fucking
Man, so wakinye filime y'amaninja man ya kera.
movie ninja the car.
Ya movie ya ninja.
That's you, right?
Babarwanisha ku ngufu.
Correct, gentleman.
Mubyibutse neza ninjye wayikinnye.
I told you.
Nari nabikubwiye man.
Me and my brother used to watch that movie all the time when we were.
Je n'umuvandimwe wanjye filime twarirebaga tukiri abana y'amaninja wakinnye mwana urindwanya.
But I ain't fucking with you today, man.
Gusa uyu munsi ntabwo twagukinisha.
The best ninja movie I've ever seen.
Niwe muntu wakinaga filime z'ninja kera nigeze mbona.
movie.
Wamubonye muri filime?
Good.
Bro, this fucker used to be the shit.
Man, yahoze ari umuntu wahatari none dore yararaburishije yabaye umuntu uraho. Man, nta kintu ufite kidasanzwe.
What the fuck happened to you?
Byakugendekeye gute ko kera wari urenze?
Gonna happen to you too, boys.
Icyambayeho namwe bizababaho.
Life.
Icyambayeho cyitwa ubuzima.
It's called life.
It's called life. Icyambayeho ni ubuzima namwe cyababaho. Bari bamumenyereye ati muze ko wakinaga filime z'ninja kera tukwemera uri umuntu urenze. Iki cyakubayeho ko waraburije. Ati cyambayeho namwe cyababaho. Icyo kintu bakita ubuzima. Buriya nubona umuntu yigize uwadanje ari kwivugisha utugambo ngo nuko hari utuntu dukenya ari kubona muri iyo minsi. Hari ikintu bita ubuzima ati nawe cyakubaho. Icyo cyambayeho. Buriya nubwo nwikamba nzi aho ntarengera ikintu bita ubuzima.
Find out what, mate? Wait, I asked you a question.
What the fuck did
French?
They're not talking about anything. Come on, finish up.
Araginga nta kintu banatubaza twigende.
I'm gonna make a quick
muze arambabaje rwose. Mwabana mu ikintu cyambayeho namwe cyababaho bakita ubuzima nta kindi kidasanzwe. Abantu bose ikintu bita ubuzima cyabayeho ndabasuhuje mwihangane. Surgum. Magarano.
Tell me you didn't know.
Gira kutarubizi. Muze watumye kwishyuza kumbe bamutunze imbunda.
They were collecting Barbosa's money.
Utambwira ko amadeni turi kwishyuza witwa Barbosa.
We've had a good run, Golden Boy.
Twakoranye neza Golden Boy.
I take that money.
Baye ndiwe nafata amafaranga nishyushye nkirukanga agacika. kumba batumye kwishyuza burya amafaranga saye hari abamufatiyeho imbunda niyo mpamvu yari yabatumye.
This is Molly X.
Uyu ni Molly X muvugana boss wanyu mushya.
You owe me one more collection.
Mu ndimo kujya kwishyuza ahandi hantu hamwe.
Bring that go to Molly.
Nzana amafaranga muyazanire Molly. Bayiha yanyu.
And your boy Tommy can breathe easy again.
Aho niho Tommy ari buze kongera guhumeka tuje. Tommy wanyu namufashe. Tommy bari bazi ko bari gukorera ko siwe bari gukorera. Yafashwe n'uwitwa Molly X. Cicicya. Madeni bari kwishyuza ngo nayo witwa Barbosa sina ya Tommy. Molly X. Turore. Yeah. Yeah.
Sorry, Tommy. I tried.
Garuka hano. Bamuzanye hano.
Let's go, Tommy.
Tugende Tommy. Yeah. Do.
You're here in LA, but here you are.
Wanga Los Angeles ariko durahuri. Wanga LA. Nibavuga LA wumve Los Angeles. Tommy.
She love Los Angeles, man.
Los Angeles ndayikunda mwana.
Stacey Adams shot.
Izi nkweto za Stacey Adams none ziguriye.
I get my suits tailor-made.
Ikote ryanjye no baridodera. Bikumva mwana.
Got love for the West Coast, man.
West Coast niga kandi nabo ndabakunda mwana. Wumvishe n'injyana zabo. Niyo mpamvu akunda Los Angeles no muri West Coast. Iyi niga y'umusaza yo maniga.
Do hate.
Uzi ikintu nanga?
There's liars.
Nababeshyi. Nibo nanga ariko sinanga hano.
Now, even somebody gave you some fucked up.
Nimba ari umuntu wagwaye amakuru mabi.
Oh, you straight lied to me.
Ariko warambeshye mwana ubizi.
My business depends on information.
Ubundi akazi kanjye gashingiye ku makuru.
That said, I'm not the encyclopedia.
Reka ngubwire ko ngiye nari inkoranya amagambo. Amakuru yanjye kuri imihanda yakura kuri streets naga yakura kuri encyclopedia.
French and Sue.
Wo French na Sue bari.
They were wasted in this.
Wambwiye ko bapfuye. Wambwiye ko babarashe bagapfa.
Swore on my face that you had no.
Wandahiriye mu maso urambwira ngo Sue na French barapfuye.
Barbosa was a client.
Muvandimwe Barbosa yari umukire wanjye.
Clients.
Ariko yari umukiriya mubi.
Before the rest of my brother's crew cut them all down in the blaze of glory. That's what you said, man.
That's what I said.
So if that's the straight up truth, why do I have emissaries out here from Inglewood to Hollywood saying that French and Sue was walking and talking and having a fine ass time here?
Wambwiye ko bapfuye kumbe bambwiye ko bari bameze neza bazenguruka imihanda French na Sue bameze neza kandi umuseba mukubita. Ashanyarasi.
You cold-blooded, Felix. That's not a wise choice.
Felix mwereke. Reba waratubeshye. Bamwiritse amafoto urabona Sue. Sue na French bari bameze neza bikaraga mu mihanda.
You lied to my fucking face. You disrespected my brother's memory.
Urukibutso rwo muvandimwe wanjye wararusuzuguye.
All this, you got to pay in blood equity. Cuddy, let's be out.
Mani mureke tube dusohotse.
You see, my brother had 3 sizable debts I needed collected before he was killed.
Muvandimwe wanjye mbere yuko apfa afite amadeni 3 yagombaga kwishyuza. Niyo mpamvu rero turi kuyishyuza. Kumba ari kwishyuza amadeni y'umuvandimwe we.
French and Sue, close out Barbosa's accounts for me.
Amafaranga ya Barbosa yose French na Sue bagomba kuyishyuza.
Because if you don't,
nutabikora
that fucking handsome head across the bay.
Uwo mutwe wawe mwiza ndaza kugukuraho.
You got 48 hours.
Waye iminsi 2 cyangwa se amasaha 48. Batavuga amasaha 48 navuga iminsi 2 mukikanga. Ngo amasaha 48 ubona umufungo wanje hano. Katurore.
So you're gonna tell me who this Molly is then?
I don't know French.
Uwo Molly ninde ntago mbizi French.
Collection left. Let's just get it done.
Hasigaye kwishyuza ahantu hamwe tukigendera nta birenze.
This is here, isn't it? Let's take a look at the figure.
Babashe kwishyuza hano.
I saw so many.
74 ni hariya mwana. Babashe kwishyuza.
Christ.
Christ.
Tell you what, I fucking hate this
this job.
kano kazi ndakanga ariko niko ushoboye nubwo ukanga niko ushoboye umva ikigo yabonye ahantu baje kwishyuza dore abapampe bariyo n'abarara aravuga ati kano kazi ndakanga mugenzi we akamubwira ati ariko mbona ariko ushoboye nta kandi nanjye kuriya buriya gusobanura niko kazi nigiye niko nshoboye ibindi bintu iyo mbikoze ntago ariko nta kintu nakora ngo kigende nabi ariko mbona ariko nkora neza nako rino mwibutse izi filime uzajya uzisanga kuri website yitwa agasobanuye 250.com ubwo nimba uzi umuntu wawe utabasha kubona filime bimworoheye cyangwa se nawe ushaka kwirebera filime bibereye wawe utuje ku internet twawe kwishyura amafaranga make ukajya wirebera ukwezi kose filime kuri iyo website ni ibintu byoroshye cyane.
Whoa, wait a minute, what are you thinking?
uretse gato kure y'imbunda
Punch-ups with these.
Manika ntwara imbunda ntuza abapampe tuba tugiye kwishyuza ubonye abapampe be bavayo Silas Skinner tuba bagiye kwishyuza bavayo ni babira kazi nta kazi koroha kabaho bibiriya ntago ijya yibeshya ntago warya utiyushya kuya katorori niyo waba urya utiyushya kuya ntago biba ari iby'igihe kirekire ari iby'igihe gito. bavayo baje gupesesha
Switch it up.
zimya ibyo bintu byawe basanze MD
Something? Cyrus Skinner.
basore cyo mukeneye Silas Skinner.
You expecting you? I couldn't give a fuck, man.
Mwari ufitanye gahunda nawe ntabwo ibyo tubyitaye uvuze ngo iki
Looking for Cyrus Skinner, so
turashaka Silas Skinner
no longer find him.
MD genda umubwira zandi
It's out of here.
ndagutimbura woni MD afite ukuntu abyimbamo ni muremure
Knuckle. Take a break.
MD bihorera abo bantu
These lads are here to see me.
Come on.
Fuck off.
caho wa muginga we MD.
Yeah, Tommy called me and told me that you two may swing by.
Tommy yari amamagaye arambwira ngo mushobora kuza gucano.
So you've rustled up the cash for us then?
bivuze ngo amafaranga rero wayapakiye. Oya
That ain't never gonna happen.
ibyo ntago bishoboka amafaranga
Paying Tommy
ntago nakwishyura Tommy
red cent.
niyo yaba ari n'igiceri cya 5 a fucking red cent.
Come on.
ibaza ariko nta na 5 yamwishyura.
It's okay, I got it. Come on, Cyrus. What's wrong with you? Be nice. You know how it works, right? One was transferred and he was reactivated, okay? Well, money. You don't get to keep the money.
umva uwo muntu murimo amafaranga waduye amafaranga tukimanukira.
Really hoping that you two would not try to underestimate.
basore nimugerageze kunca amazi ngo mwumve ko noroheje.
Tommy,
mwavuganye na Tommy
here we are. And what
none kuki
to do?
ushaka uturushya
You fucking English.
wa muginga w'umwongereza bakunda kumwita umwongereza bite nubundi iyo ari kuvuga uhita ubyumva ko ari umwongereza uyu musore.
Fucking cocksucker. I was
uyu nawe baramutuka
like you.
igitutsi ntavuga.
That's it.
wa muginga we uhita kura imbunda ndakurashe.
Right now. Frenchie, what are you doing?
the French urakora ibikishyira hasi ndakurasa.
You think this scares me?
urakeka ibi birankanga.
No, shut up, Sue.
Hey
Fucking sick of this. You get up there right now. You get the money.
Fuck you. What did
kohereza amafaranga nona.
Go shoot the money. Do it. Do it.
zana amafaranga nona kurira ikinyi cyo ku gisaza cyanze gutanga amafaranga menita uze bamumenye itara. Yeah.
Okay, sorry, so. Listen to me.
Nyumva.
Fuck myself, right? But this morning, because right about now your bones are all starting to break. Falling in little pieces around your orbital. Soon you're gonna lose sight in one eye. Maybe lose a little color, maybe.
umva mu kanya iryo jisho riraza kuba rimaze gupfa burundu utangira ntutekereze neza n'indi ndimene.
You know what, Cyrus? One day very soon you're gonna be having dinner through a straw with one good eye. So just
nutatwishyura vuba bidatinze bizangombwa ko uzajya urya utareba.
go to my office?
MD jya muri ofisi yanjye ubazanira igikapu kiriyo. umugabo ni ukwanga amafaranga bayanayateguye avuga ati nibikomera ndayatanga urumva ni ukuvuga ati zana igikapu bahereze bagenda bayateguye ariko avuga ati sindi upfe kuyabaha. Yeah.
Good job with the non-violence thing, by the way. Doing a real good job there, mate. Impressive.
ashaka kunini
have to do something. You can.
bana nifite kugira icyo nkora nabonaga ugiye kurasa uyu musaza kandi sinashaka kumwica.
Was I? What do you think? A fucking psychopath that murderer? I was just trying to.
mwana ukeka ko ngiye ndi umusazi w'umwicanyi ku buryo nari kurasa uyu musaza namukangaga.
Fucking running.
Hey, wa muginga MD amafaranga arayacikanye kumbe wa murara MD amafaranga arayacikanye uyu arakurikira akazi kabo ni ukwishyuza akazi kandi kaba kagomba gukorwa. Yeah. Katorori. Hey! Nya! Nakurikira. Meze biti. Kurikire mudi. Kurikire mudi akazi kagomba gukorwa uko byamera kose. Nya! Hey! Katorori. Nya! Katorori. Emudi! Ndagiye icyamamare! Aya mafaranga nanjye muri gupfa ntago nayaruka dore umwana. Jejejeje. Iki cyanara kiramurushye. Kirongera gikatanu. Kigendera hejuru y'ubutuyeri cya Emudi. Ndimanuki. Iki kiguryi cy'umwana. Ninjye ufata. Aragikurikira. Amafaranga agomba gucyurwa uko byamera kose turi cyana ahantu kiri guca. Kirarenze. Gicadore ngicyo. Ndayatwaye wenda nanjye nacu kubiri. Na karuruma nkimanukira. Katorori. Emudi. Dore ngicyo. Bimeze bite? Yakurikiwe. Yeah. Dore cyana hano. Iki kiguryi cy'umwana. Uyu nawe araparamira cyamuruhije shahu. Umwana cawo n'amafaranga. Yesu Kristo na bwa buyoga aba yarayanywa nyine. Bwa buyoga aba yarayanywa. Uyabona igikamyo. Urabizi reka mfate lifti uri abe yiruka. Ibintu n'ubwenge ntago bisaba ibibaraga. Bisaba n'ubwenge yirirwa mu tuyoga ariko ubwenge aba bufite ducyana aragikurikira kiriruka cyangiza imbaraga. Fata ikigori. Hey! Kura menyo. Emudi. Jinga we.
Jesus Christ.
Yesu Kristo. Cyamuruhishe. Mwana uri umwakorobasi. Kina sakasi.
I want to be a stuntman.
Oya nifuza kuba stuntman. Ba bantu nyine bakora ibintu bidasanzwe. Njye bana bifasha mu mafilime amwe bakora ibintu nyine ubona biteye ubwoba.
It's a terrible idea.
Cyo ni igitekerezo kibi.
You're lucky I didn't kick the shit out.
Gize amahirwe kuba nagukubise. Nakura hankubise. Warumva atamukubise nyine. Bagize amahirwe kuba atamukubise. Kombe hakorino muri rya garage.
Yeah, looks like we're good. Goodness, but
Sanga tumeze neza hano mufungo babonye.
get back to Tommy, we can give it to Molly, and we can put the whole fucking universe back in the balance.
Molly? You talking about Barbosa?
Ngane amafaranga na Barbosa.
Molly?
What you just say?
Ndetse muyashiriye umusazi witwa Mori.
He's taken over Barbosa's.
Mori nimba ari wowe ufasha amadeni ya Barbosa yaraturimo ni ikibazo mufite.
Collecting Barbosa's.
Mani mbwira ko utambwira ko turi kwishyuriza
No, it's okay, it's okay.
amadeni ya Barbosa.
Tommy's fucking
Talk about it outside.
Tom ubwo yaba yaduteza agatego.
Outside.
Dusohoke hanze tubiganireho.
We'll be leaving you now, Cyrus. Yeah. You're gonna know pain soon.
Mwa bidatinze muramenya uburibwe icyo ari cyo. Uwo bari kwishyuriza amenya batamuzi.
Kiss.
Bereze imfunguzo z'imodoka.
Are you okay?
French umeze neza?
Just tell me.
Mbwira.
You didn't know.
Mbwira ko utari ubizi.
That's what we've been collecting for the past 2 days.
Ko tutari kuba twafata amafaranga yuriya musore ariyo turi gutanga. Atari turi kwishyuriza. Barbosa.
It wasn't positive friendship, not at first.
Mbere nanjye ntabwo nari mbizi ko ariyo turi kwishyuriza.
How's that supposed to mean?
Bisobanuye iki?
Tommy calls me out of the blue. He tells me he's got this gangster breathing down his fucking neck, and he tells me it's serious, yeah?
Barampamagaye nyuma amenya ko ibintu byabaye serious uwo twakira ko turi kwishyuriza turi kwishyuriza.
Yeah? Nobody else. Just you. Specifically, just you. And when that thug walked into the burger joint and mentioned Molly's name, well, what can I tell you, Frenchie? I started to put it all together myself. And you didn't think to tell me this before? Come on, Frenchie, you understand me. I was looking after Tommy, okay? Besides,
Umva njye nari ndi kwita kuri Tommy nzi ko ariwe turi kwishyuriza.
right? If you knew, you wouldn't help me. That
Wagombaga kumfasha kandi.
right. Do you know why? It's not fucking stupid, that's why. Come on, I'm sorry.
Cyako ndi ikigoryi se nari kubyumva iyo bimbwira.
Brother, you... Come on, think about it.
Tekerezeho.
We're 3 for 3. 3 for fucking 3, run the whole stretch.
Tumaze kwishyuza abantu batatu tugiye dutanga amafaranga twitahire.
Fucking vipers!
Ntabwo twakwishyurira ziriya ni ibiyoka binini. Ntabwo twabyishyuriza.
Yeah? Yeah. What the fuck's wrong with ya?
Ikihe kibazo?
I'll fucking die, Frenchie, okay?
Umva Tommy baramwica ari tujyana ayo mafaranga. Kandi umuzi nk'uko muzi.
Frenchie, just listen.
Umva neza.
Okay, look. When leukemia took my little Millie, I lost everything.
umwana wanjye ubwo yicwaga na leukemia nabuze buri kimwe
Fucking done.
byandangiriyeho byose ubwo umwana wanjye yapfaga Mori.
It was there for me yet again. You understand?
uwahabaye kuri njye akamfasha muri ibyo bihe ni Tommy wenyine wamfashije muri ibyo bihe bibi nari ndimo.
Me and Tommy aren't, understand?
ubwo ndakeka urumva icyo Tom asobanuye kuri njye niyo mpamvu tugomba kumufasha tujyana n'amafaranga bamuri kuri. ndagira ngo unyumve.
Just listen to me.
ndagira ngo unyumve.
We should just do one. Get out of this shit right now.
icyo twakora ni ugufata aya mafaranga tukayatwara. hano mfite 250 nawe utwara ibindi 250 tucike.
Still can't.
twiyobere tugishoboye.
Oh fuck you.
wibikora. Sasu yaravuga ati amafaranga tugomba kuyatwara tugatabara inshuti yacu Tommy yaramfashije mu bibazo. ntago yatwara.
Let go of the bag, sir.
Nekuri igikapu su.
Can't make you take the bag, Frenchie.
ntago nari kutwara iki gikapu French yashaka ko bitwarira amafaranga.
Fucking bag, sir.
Nekuri igikapu su.
Make me.
tumanyirekura. nimba ushaka ko nyirekura make me. tumanyirekura. tera muzekura umuntu amenye. Yesu Kristo mbabarire ni Satani ucutsere nambaye n'impeta mukuye amenye urusaza rwambara impeta nini ngo rubabaza abantu. mwana urankubise. kuri ryinyi.
Okay, that's it.
urabizi?
Just give me the bag.
Mpereza icyo gikapu.
Give me the bag. Oh, you got.
ntacyo nagwaye amafaranga ndayatwara nawe utwara ariya twimbanukire. tera bose. tangira kunyuza umusaza n'indwanyi mu nceri muramuzi ni icyamamare. shyira igikapu hasi noneho.
Okay, come on.
mani waretse ariko. ariko urabona buryo cyaba bangutsemo sore buretse. zerakubitwa. sorry.
I'm taking that bag, sir.
kiriya gikapu ndagitwaye isu. havayo. vayo kuri mutebutsi mwati tugabana amafaranga undi ati tuyajyane dutabare Tommy. mutwe ni indwanyi. katurare gingaye baramuzinga barazinga aramuterura. bano barareba ni babandi bagomba gucunga ibijya mbere.
What the fuck are these idiots doing?
ibigoryi biri gukora ibiki?
Remember that little conversation we had about MMA?
Nibuka ikiganiro twaganiriye.
I win.
aramuterura deposa ku modoka y'umukire wiparikiye hari urumva umwe wiparikiye bakaza bakinira mu mafaranga yawe sha bahaza.
Yeah, I was trying to give you an easy way out of that truck, so.
nashaka ko tubikora mu buryo bworoshye.
I'm gonna have to fuck you up.
ngiye ukwangiza. uzicura numvisha abantu bambwira ngo bagiye kunyangiza mwana ntago ibyo bikinkanga. ni urusaza ruri hano. ni ukurubwira ngo ngiye gukubitira ukubwira tuzincuro babimbwiye ibyo bintu nkaba nyiriho. kandi koko umuntu agiye gusaza ngana gutya yaranyuze muri byinshi ntago biba bikimukanga. uzi curo baba barambwiye ngo banyica nkaba ndenze nsaza ndemurye muze baramukubita muze baratamika ye muze yahuye n'akana gakubita gatwika. yewe apfuye muze fata icupa atangiye kwitabaza ibidukikije ibitwugarije. nkwereke mwana utera punch yarakubiswe koko. muze
I'm gonna be honest too.
kamubwiza ukuri so.
Always wanted to come out on top if it came down to it.
najyaga nibaza ngo ninde uzatsinda undi munsi twarwanye none ndabibonye. najyaga ubyibaza.
Me too.
nanjye najyaga mbyibaza tera bose barahana. umwe yajyaga byibaza ati umunsi twarwanye ninde watsinda undi bose ni indwanyi. vayo. hey punch wita umusore buriya.
That's for my coat.
izo ngumi ngo ukubise ni za ya modoka yanjye ibuke yamugurishije n'imodoka. harimo mbega n'akabifu ko batuha muginge wangurishirije imodoka nako kare karimo burya.
Yeah, boss.
Boss.
Yeah, Tommy's boy handled his business. They doing that to
Babasore barangije akazi kawe ariko hagati yabo bari gusubiranamo.
Alright, we'll handle it.
Sawa reka tubikemure. Bano batanze raporo. N'abagenzuzi niko babita. Yeah. Yeah. Say. Yeah. Buretse ariko. Say.
Sneaky mother.
Warunye ibya muginga we. Say. Doranu ya Yesu Kristo. Yesu. Yesu. Yeah. Bega igisaza. Yeah. Apfuye.
Hey.
Shyira amafaranga hano we.
I want you to know something, Frenchie.
Icyo ushaka kumenya.
Go away, I can leave Tommy die like an animal.
Nta buryo nareka Tommy bamwica nk'inyamaswa. Ndakeka urabyumva. Ngiye kumutabara. Muzebas kiraso yituwe ndi. Kiraso yituwe ndi we. Kiraso yituwe ndi. Murabibonye ariko. Yeah. Abapampe bavaye. Abapampe.
You boys done fucked up.
Basore bisa nkaho byabarangiranye.
Had money on you, Ninja. You owe me a slice.
Nari nagushetiye ninja none baragutsinza uransindishije. Bivuze ngo bano bari batsinze ubwo bano biri barwa nako bari bashetse ubwo bano biri barwanaga.
There you go.
Fata amafaranga mugende.
You can count on that, motherfucker.
Tugomba no kubica. Taragira. Se. Fire. Ku mutima. Rimwe. Usazurira no ntasanzwe. Hey. Uriya yamumanuriye hasi kuri kaburimbo rimwe umugabo ayitaca. Uze urabizi. We subirayo. Usubira ariko uri umupfura bizi barakwica nawe.
What is yours?
Aya mafaranga na yawe ngaho yagumanye ndigendeye. Je ntwaye imodoka. French arigendeye. Ti wa musaza we nusubira barakwica. Katurore. Yajana umuduka byibura barimo ka kanyanga. Ewe muze yakubiswe. Fata kanyanga hano. Ikora nka rukoro buriya nyine. Yica ama infection. Eh. Eh. Yeah. Uyinjiye mu modoka agomba kujya gutabara Tommy. Bimeze bite? Ya Jean.
Don't worry about me. Just worry about the next two jobs. I'm sorry I got you into this.
Yibutsa mubwira ati ngiye numangayikirangayikishwa n'utundi tuzi tubiri dusigaye.
Right? Mother calls.
Uyu nguyu ariko nanone byose bikesha uyu mugabo agiye gutabara Tommy. Ubwo umwana we yapfaga byasaga nawe nk'ibyamurangiriyeho. Yagize gutya gufatira amafaranga yose. Amwe yakura mu gikapu. Fatira igikapu hano. Asisikamo rumena amabuye n'imbunda. N'imbunda. Yeah. murore avayo mwe harimo amafaranga handi harimo imbunda yo meze biti
Look who's come to visit. Fuck. Why'd you come back? That's far enough, motherfucker.
Incheon.
Cuddy, pour me a shot of that Rooster Roll.
Nawezi nsukira akantu ka Rooster Roll n'akayoga. Baragasuka.
So, you got the J.U. Ice. I'll say that for you. Where's your road dog, Mr. Jiu-Jitsu?
Mr. Jiu-Jitsu ari he? Jiu-Jitsu ni tekinike y'amaninja.
So he left you hold.
Kazi ka munani.
Good song.
Agusigira ibikapu niko mbicika.
Don't you ever listen.
Agujya wumva. Nena nakubwiye ngo ntugaruke hano, uyu ni Tommy.
See, man, Tommy, he lied to me, man. He said that you were dead. I mean, you look kind of fucked.
Tommy yarambeshye rero ambwiye ko mwapfuye.
You don't look dead to me.
None ndabona utarapfuye.
Tommy's defense.
No kubera Tommy yandwanyeho. N'ubundi nari kuba narapfuye.
So
inshuro ebyiri.
You're in a ball there.
Bize ngo uri guhumeka umwuka w'umutizanyo. Cyase uri mu minsi y'inyongezo.
Return your brother's bounty, right?
Uzane amafaranga y'umuvandimwe wawe.
Vic, you let
utanyishyura ngo mfate Tommy, usohoke tugende.
How's that sound, Holmes?
Urabyumva ute?
Come on, Tommy, you okay? Get up.
Tommy, ngwino tugende.
Get up, let's go. Cuddy, shoot Tommy if you move.
Tommy nahaguruka umurasi. Tommy bamubuza guhaguruka.
The question, so.
Kangubaza ikibazo su.
That you would ever be walking out of here?
Ese kuko waje utekereza kuri busoke? Ibaza ariko.
Felix, get my fucking dough.
Felix, nzanira ayo mafaranga yanjye. Numufunga ariko nikaba wise nagaba wise amafaranga. Kura yimbunda.
Don't you fuck him.
Muva muri.
Or I will blow her fuck.
Igikobwa kirano bakita Felix. Cyase Felix nyine. Felix ku cya Mitsingi.
Go you fucking wanted. You let me and Tommy go. Real simple. Yeah.
Reka Tom agenda soke ni ibintu byoroshye.
Think I give a fuck?
Nushaka urasiyo bitch nago mbyitayo.
No offense, Felix.
If you guys have a clean shot, shoot this man.
Nimba muri kumubona ariko mwamurashe. Mvi ninja.
You just put your money on the wrong color, so. Fuck you, I'll do it. Fuck you, stay back, you motherfuckers.
Usubire nyuma cyawe muginga murasa Felix.
Stay back.
Felix akuruka akaruka amashanyarazi ke.
Go ahead.
Gira. Felix. Yo. Zehe. Ze! Kura amenyo. Ze bamukuye amenyo. Do. Niko.
You really are a gangster, aren't you?
Ariko uri gangster. Baramukomi. Cyari mu kabari. Sore bamufashe.
Big Bo, hold that for me, would you?
Big Bo mfasha gutya. Ni Big Bo.
So that must have hurt, man.
So menye wababaye cyane.
Women, it's like they always go for our nuts. I know. You do know what's gonna happen next, though, eh?
Wabuze ikintu bagiye gukorera gikurikiye.
You got a pretty good idea.
Mfite igitekerezo cyiza.
You may be a little scared.
Ufite ubwoba ariko.
Yeah.
Yego.
Actually, I am.
Ubwoba ndabufite.
Oh man, that's honesty.
Yavugishije ukuri.
I like that.
Ndabikunze kuvugishije ukuri. Ntabwo bisobanuka kuba bari ariko n'ururara rw'urusaza.
The boss has set my boys out to die.
Bari boss umuvandimwe yari yatumye abahungu banjye ngo bapfe. Ntabwo nari kumubabarira.
Yes.
Yego.
I shot that piece of shit, brother.
Umuvandimwe wawe ni njye wamwirasiye. Ndetse n'ubu nabisubiramo.
Business.
Ntabwo byari bikiri akazi.
Because he was an evil piece of shit.
Umuvandimwe namurashe kuko yari sekibi. Akabakwereka kuko byagenze.
But after all the years, you walked the line for me.
Muzehe niwe wandasiye umuvandimwe burya.
Tell me the truth.
Bwa nyuma nanjye mubwije ukuri.
But about murdering my brother.
Cyerekeranye n'urupfu rw'umuvandimwe wanjye.
That's Sue. Let him walk out.
Ninjye ushaka reka Sue ave anagende.
I always knew that it was you.
Iteka nari mbizi ko ariwe wamurashe.
Watching him suffer.
Ugiye kubabara n'uriya umubona ababara.
Cuddy, hold that.
Fasha gutya.
You see this black beauty right here?
Rani mukobwa ubona w'umwirabura.
Trained in the school for the Americans.
Yize mu kigo cy'abanyamerika.
Devious motherfucker.
Kigamo abantu babi cyane.
And do fucked up shit.
Ni ikigo bigishirizamo abantu gutoteza abantu n'iyica rubozo. Icyo kigo nicyo yaminujemo.
Loves to torture.
Uyu mukobwa akunda kwica urubozo abantu no kubatoteza. Yagasani. We. Umukobwa uri hano ngo yaminuje muri kaminuza yigisha iby'itoteza, afata insinga, urebe kaminuza n'amashuri yize ibyo bikora, afata insinga dore ahantu yamanuye hasi hariya, acomekaho insinga za electrogaze hasi, afatisha no ku mano.
No, Felix, I was thinking.
Tamira none icyo giti kugira ngo atadusakuriza, wamutamika igiti adasakuza.
Tongue off, bite the wood, motherfucker.
Umukobwa aramutuka atamira icyo giti.
Telephone. They use it on unruly prisoners back in the old South.
Yeah.
Distance phone call. That's how they phrased it. Baby girl.
Katurori.
Light 'em up!
Yeah. Hey. Sori baramushiririza hasi hariya no kwino. Umugabo yahise amenya apfa. Nica rubuza uyu mukobwa ngo nibyo yigiye yaraminuje. Nibitseho impamyabumenyi minerivare yo mu rugo niyayi. Ibaze nk'ababyeyi baba baramwohereje muri iyo kaminuza. Yeah. Kubita ikindi gishinge. Iyo ugiye gupfa bagukubita ikindi gishinge cya adrenaline ukayitongera ugakanguka. 2 2 1 bakongera bakagukangura. Ayandi magambo ni ukukwica waba ugiye gupfa uri kugenda bakakuzura bakongera bakakwica bakuzura bakwica bakuzura. Urumva urwego ibintu bimaze kugeraho. Baby girl. Ongera utwike. Mwana mwibikora.
Light 'em up.
Yeah. Kokanya. Batarongera. Arwinji. Shiri munda zanyu hasi nona. Nona.
Oh shit.
Ske.
Fucking jujitsu, I was telling you.
Wa mujinga jujitsu navugaga. Bamwita jujitsu kubera ari indwanyi cyane bamwitira tekinike y'amaninja bita jujitsu.
Don't want to hurt anyone. Just want the money. Bitch in the purple. Get over.
Kumbe yazanye na babandi bakorera wa mugore twabonye Maurice. Twe turashaka umufungo nta kindi.
Right, you two in the back. Untie them, both of them. Untie them now. I'm not fucking about.
I will shoot you.
Think I get shot before? Places and faces, motherfucker. I'll find you. Gonna turn around at 6'5".
Aho mwajya hose nazababona nababonye amasura.
Bang bang.
Shut the fuck up and
funga umunwa ariko.
Man, shoot that bitch.
That's it, bitch. Tararasana, masasu, fire. Hey, munyubako. Masasu. Muzehe yarashe Tommy. Tommy baje gutabara. Dore ngararaswa. Yeah. Masasu. Tommy ararashwe. Yeah. Masasu. Hey. Fanu ugende golden boy kuba mwita. Ndagukura hano mwana. Ndagukura hano. Kobwa. Hey. Felix. Yeah. Fanu ugende.
Let go. Go to Johnny for fucking up. Don't come on this way.
Fata amafaranga yakure hano ugende. Tommy baje gutabara nuko yapfuye. Uyu yari yanze kumutererana nk'iniga ye yamubaye hafi avuga ati shumi yanjye sinayitererana. Atorore. Hey. Masasu. Yeah. Yeah. Bize bite. Rabizi twagiye. Masasu. Mu nyubako barapfa umufungo. Hey. Fire. Yeah. Yarabireba zakurino. Byakomeye. Fatira imbunda arababona. Bona ikishe Tommy hakurya. Kivayo. Arananiwe. Kura y'imbunda. Gikobwa kivayo. Uyafata umufunga ari manukira. Fasha umufunga ari manukira nagusiga umufunga inyuma. Hey! Guse waba ujyanye waba umanutse uti ibaze kumanuka nta mufungo umanukanye yakurebeye ikigoryi sasu Mori uko byagenze Felix uyu ngo yaraminuje hey ni ninja yaminuje mu bugome umusa tumanuke Torori ikobwa kiri hano kitaragira turore masasu hey bana basore ba Maurice hey fire hey bacho yeah bano nuko basotse kwabwira hano yigiza kara kajyaye sasu bano nuko bavuyeyo Torore ko kanya ruparitse ni Maurice Yes Chris French wakoze ibiki yagiye gutabaza wahoze ari sheri man twumvikanye kari bugutabare nshira modoka mwe bayiro bishyuza ngo yahoze ari sheri we kera nas fakuza nyine yeah uko bamanutse yeah uko bimanukiye datinze cyagomba gukorwa no kujya gushyingura Tommy cyase Thomas.
I'm thinking maybe I'm gonna head back towards Vegas.
Nabizi ngiye gusubira Las Vegas.
Man, what can I tell you? We're getting along these days. Can you imagine? Why she mellow with that, is that? Yeah, maybe she has.
Subire no kureba uriya mugore uyu wagiye kureba uriya mugore yasubira Las Vegas.
Is it in this time I bring a little balance into my life, yeah?
Ungiye kora ko naza n'uburinganire mu buzima bwanjye mbega tuza bari hamwe.
It's over, tell me, mate. It's okay, French, you don't need to apologize.
Beze soft French na mvuye gusaba imbabazi.
Not your fault, right? We did the best we could, Tommy.
Sana bwa byabaye yapfuye twakuze uko dushoboye.
By the way, you remember what I said about me and Tommy?
Uribika icyo nakubwiye hati yanjye na Tommy?
We go way back, you know.
Je na urabizi twari ibyo twanyuranyemo na Tommy.
Together, but me and him never went through what you and I
went. Ariko ibyo twanyuranyemo ntago birenze ibyo nanyuranyemo nawe.
I think you want anytime, anywhere.
Aho wankenerera igihe cyari cyose wankenerera, nzaba mpari ku bwawe, uzampamagare.
It's funny you should say that actually because
birasekeje ko bivuze kuko
in phone call this morning for my old boss.
Hari umwe mu bakire banjye bakera wamamagaye uyu munsi. Muri East Coast ngo hari akazi kadutegereje.
Head out there.
Hano bari muri West Coast ngo muri East Coast ngo babahamagaye.
You didn't have to take me up on it so quick, French.
Man, birihuse cyane kuhita unjyana mu kandi kazi.
East Coast, you know, it's cold.
Urabizi muri East Coast harakonja. Kandi ndashaje.
Vegas.
Nyeneye kujya Vegas hashyushyemo. Ndashaje nyine ahantu hashyushye.
Hey mate, yeah? Come on. Security or collection? More like collection, I think.
Yeah, mbega ni uburyo bwo kwishyuza n'ubundi tugiyemo.
And told me he hates the job. I do.
Warambwiye ngo wanga akazi.
It's like you said.
Ntabwo uzi ibyo wambwiye.
Pretty good at it.
Wambwiye ko akazi ngashoboye neza cyane.
But you think you're getting too old for it?
Se nimba wumva ushaje akazi utagashobora. Yabizi.
I'm good.
Meze neza. Koko akazi barakemeye.
Self, old man.
Sawa mzee. Akazi barakemeye. Wibuke iki ni igice cya kabiri. Ubwo igice cya gatatu nimba bazabagiye kwishyuza hehe. Ubwo nacyo ni cyiza bazatu. Mwana waguze akamodoka kandi. Uko amafaranga nibo bayatwaye yose. Uyu mugabo amwokoye imodoka bayazi mwana. Iyi modoka ni AMX mwana.
Jesus French, this is beautiful.
Mwana imodoka ni nziza French.
Maybe you meet and greet never heard.
Abonye akamodoka keza n'ubwa mbere mubonye mu modoka nziza kuva yamumenye.
May I?
Yeah. Mwana ari kanwareho amuha kontaki. Kanyitwareho mwana nawe utware hari.
You're right.
Musaza kunda amamodoka yese yakumunyenga.
I'm rubbing off a little bit, yeah?
Yeah. zinjiye imodoka abana bafashe inzira berekere bakitaga debt collectors bumvaga bamwita Rocky ndetse na plaque yanditseho kariba ari abishyuzi n'abapesesha muzedura kirye rikaba nariho kahita afunga n'isambusa igice cya gatatu nikiza nzababwira United yari kazanye ndetse ikomeje kubagezaho filime n'aba DJ mwese wo muri ndetse na Rock Entertainment Imana bo mugisha ubwo filime nyinshi n'amaseri mutabonye iki cyumweru nayo icyumweru gitaha ciao ciao mwibutse wazireba ku gasobanuye 250.com ciao ciao
New Class Car Wash iki nicyo kinamba cya mbere muri Kigali mu koza imodoka mu buryo bugezweho modern car washing dukoresha machine kabuhariwe nka high pressure machine polishing machine high pressure steam machine n'izindi nyinshi imodoka yazirabutswe isohoka irabagirana kuri za moteri ho umurabyo uratinda turazoza zigasubira ibushya by'akarusho kandi dusimoniza irangi ry'imodoka igasubira n'ubwiza bwayo kuri wowe ufite amatapi yaba yo mu nzu New Class Car Wash niyo gisubizo ku bindi bisobanuro mwadusanga i Remera ku Gisimenti ku muhanda wa KG 176 ku gipangu cya 27 kuri telefoni waduhamagara kuri 0788 506 338 New Class Car Wash.